Well, now look at this. Did you know you can add ChatGPT to your browser now? I'm Kurt the CyberGuy, and ChatGPT has continued to grow in popularity since OpenAI released it back in November. Well, now the chatbot has Chrome extensions that you can add to your browser to make accessing the feature that much easier. You'll need to use Google Chrome as your browser to add one of these third-party apps to it. If you want to add an extension, first open the Chrome Web Store. Search and select the extension you want, and click Add to Chrome. To approve, click Add Extension. Here are a few of the extensions you can try that add ChatGPT right to your browser. ChatGPT for Google can display ChatGPT responses alongside your search engine results. Tactic makes it so you no longer have to take notes during meetings. It transcribes and summarizes meetings from Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, and Zoom using ChatGPT. How cool is that? ChatGPT Writer lets you write entire emails and messages using the AI software. And finally, Web ChatGPT adds relevant web results to your prompts to ChatGPT for more accurate and up-to-date conversations. For more on AI and what this all means, head to cyberguy.com and search ChatGPT. And while you're there, sign up for my free newsletter.